are. I am Mommy J, and you are.
Faith.
Like Faith said, we are making strawberry
Lollipop.
white chocolate
Lollipop.
lollipops and some cherry white chocolates, and that's what we are doing today. Please comment, like, and subscribe. So let's get into it. Here we go. Okay guys, so the first step we do, we need the white chocolate. So
I got this.
we have some white chocolate and we're going to place this in a pot and we're going to melt it. Faith is going to cut up the white chocolate and she's going to chop up the white chocolate and we're going to put it in a pot and we're going to put this on the oven. This is premium baking white chocolate, so you can get this from any supermarket. They have this, all right? So this is a nice thing you can do for Valentine's Day. You can do this with the kids. It's a lot of fun. The last video we did some Oreo bomb pops, and that was really fun. We'll put the link in the description below so you can watch that one. That was really fun. Yes, it's white chocolate. See?
It's chocolate.
So we're gonna put these inside. Don't start eating now. You did this in the last video, okay? I'm watching. Faith is known when we make stuff, she starts eating up everything. So just watch it, guys. Okay, I got it. Okay. So we are now placing the white chocolate. And we're going to dump that in this pot here. And Faith is going to chop up her chocolate and she's going to place it here. Come over here and sit down. Come around and sit down. Put it in the pot. I did the first one, so we wait for you to do the second one. Okay. So I am going to cut the stove on. Chocolate. Put that in here. Let me help you. You have to stir it in pieces.
Don't you eat it like that?
Yeah, you always do that. We used to do. So guys, you have to stir the chocolate really, really fine. Because chocolate seems to melt like really fast. Okay, so while that is on the oven, we're going to take out the strawberries. You need strawberries, guys. So this is what you can get anywhere, supermarket. Some nice. I like these strawberries because they're really big.
I like it Walmart.
We didn't go to Walmart. We went to ShopRite this time. You think everything revolves around Walmart.
Hey!
We went to ShopRite.
What's up, Play-Doh?
I know.
What's up, house?
Okay, so these strawberries were really nice and red and juicy. So we're gonna place them on here. Do not.
It made me jump.
Yeah, I'm watching you. Put it on here. Put the strawberries on here.
I'm hungry.
So that's what we're doing now.
Long jump?
Sure.
I believe I can fly.
Okay, so we just finished the melt in the white chocolate, and you want to make sure that you're mixing it really, really well so you can have that nice mixture. So that's what I'm doing. And you don't want to overcook it on the oven.
Yeah, they ate in it. It's good.
I bet. So that's what we're doing. We're just mixing the white chocolate, making sure we have like a nice and rich. So we have the strawberries and the cherries in the refrigerator, and we're gonna be right back to you and show you what it came out to look like. Okay guys, so the strawberries and the cherries were done. Faith is about to taste it and see what she came up with doing this video. And we're gonna see if she really liked them. And she tasted it up and she gave it a big thumbs up, guys. So yeah, this is a really nice treat you can do for the holidays. Valentine's Day is coming up. Get some ideas for it. And this was so fun to do. This was really a great video to do. We had so much fun doing it. And she shared them with her brothers and she really loved it. We drop videos on every Saturday, so we thank you guys for checking us out. Please share, watch, and we thank you for tuning in with us. And as always, we will see you guys on next Saturday in our next video. Be safe.